What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering another amazing JavaScript library, and today we are discovering Axios. So what is Axios? So Axios is a promise-based HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. So if you don't know what that is, I'm going to break it down for you. So basically, when we develop applications, we might have our database hosted somewhere else, and in order to access this database, we need to send a request. We need to send a request to what is known as an API. And so basically what Axios does is that it helps us communicate with this API, which gets our data from our database and sends it back to us. So I don't know if that's too complicated, but basically that's what it is, and I'll try to break it down a little bit. So you have your application or you have your website, you have your database, which is somewhere else, then you have this API in the middle. So Axios basically is the middleman between your website and the API. So I hope that's clear. You have your website, you have your API, you have your database. So Axios is the middleman between your website and the API. So that's pretty much in a simple terms what Axios is, and it does this communication over HTTP, which is kind of the default syntax for the web. So Axios is a simple promise-based HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. Axios provides a simple to use library in a small package with a very extensible interface, so there isn't really much going on here. It's just a middleman, we integrate in our project. There are definitely other options aside from Axios. It's not the only one out there, but Axios has been very performant and it has really been doing a lot lately. So it's very easy to use. We don't have to do so much. This is just all the code you need actually. So you just need to install first of all Axios in your project, then you just put in this code and it accesses your API using the routes you have defined, and then it gets you the results that you can now use on your application. So I'm guessing you have some experience with web development, or those at least watching these videos are coders to a certain degree, so they might understand some of these terms. So what is Axios? Axios is a promise-based HTTP client for Node.js and the browser. It is isomorphic. It can run in the browser and Node.js with the same code base. On the server side, it uses the native Node.js HTTP module, while on the client browser, it uses XML HTTP requests. So it's very easy to use, to install. You just type any of these commands that works for you, and then you have here some examples. So here, in terms of examples, you can use the get request, you can use the post request, and it equally works. It can also work asynchronously, which means it doesn't prevent your app from running. Your app can be running and it works in the background. So yeah, so there's really not much going on with Axios. It's actually just a tool or a library that people use by default in their projects. You might be using it without even realizing that that's what you're using. It's very simple and it just merged seamlessly. So it's an amazing project. I'll definitely encourage you to check out their GitHub page and drop in a star there to encourage them for the work they are doing. So it's quite amazing. So there isn't much to it, right? Definitely this is an amazing library, and I definitely make use of it very, very much. So they have a website if you didn't know, and there's not really much on their website, but it's cool to check them out and see. So they have over 100,000 stars on GitHub and 11,000 forks. So it's very, very popular, and they have really so many sponsors for this project. Yeah, so there you have it. I just wanted to present to you Axios, which is kind of a superhero working in the background without us realizing. So definitely check them out at axios-http.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.